Chopard gives a masterclass in the art of chiming watches. We're looking at the L.U.C Grand Strike, which incorporates a Grand Sonnerie, a Petite Sonnerie, a minute repeater and a Tourbillon escapement. And the acoustic magic, the reason why this is a masterclass in chiming watches, comes from a sapphire monobloc that combines the crystal and gongs. Chopard already has an impressive legacy of chiming watches that once started with the strike one. However, it wasn't until the full strike that Chopard found the magic recipe. They developed the dial and gongs as one sapphire monobloc, and the sound this creates is really simply amazing. The entire watch already features one of the most complex mechanisms in a wristwatch, being the combination of a Grand Sonnerie, a Petite Sonnerie and a minute repeater. Both the Grand and Petite Sonnerie strike the hours and quarters automatically, though only the Grand Sonnerie repeats the hours at every quarter. Usually a pusher or a slide allows you to silence the mechanism, and the repeater mechanism chimes time only on demand. Among the 10 or so prestigious names who have produced Grand Sonnerie wristwatches are Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, Audemars Piguet, Jaeger-LeCoultre, Greubel Forsey, F.P. Journe, Lange & Söhne, Bulgari and even Frank Muller. Chopard is the latest brand to join this exclusive club with the L.U.C Grand Strike, a watch simply remarkable in every respect, representing a true masterclass in the art of chiming watches. But before delving into the details, we should first tell a few words about the 30-year journey that made the creation of this watch possible. Such a masterpiece cannot be improvised and it requires thorough expertise. The Chopard L.U.C collection was presented after the brand proudly inaugurated its Fleurier manufacture in 1996 with the unveiling of the 1.96 micro-rotor caliber. The collection gave birth to a multitude of superb watches with a subtle, nuanced refinement. While these watches are now celebrated by aficionados, it's important to remember that earning such a credibility was a long and challenging process. At the time, entering the world of haute horlogerie was no easy feat, and gaining recognition alongside the established specialist makers required exceptional dedication. The first chiming watch introduced within the Chopard L.U.C collection was the Strike 1. That was an hour strike au passage as it is called, and it was 2006. The full strike minute repeater was presented in 2016 and earned the brand the Aiguille d'Or at the Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève in 2017. It had the revolutionary use of sapphire gongs that were integrated into the watch's sapphire crystal, and it was a monobloc. The minute repeater Tourbillon was introduced as part of the Sound of Eternity trilogy. On this occasion, the Strike 1 was also fitted with the sapphire monobloc technology. The new Chopard L.U.C Grand Strike combines traditional forms with modern aesthetics, offering an unimpeded view of the dial-side strike works of the 686-part caliber. The movement is beautifully finished, and both front and back are truly impressive with black polishing Anglage, Côte de Genève, executed to exacting standards of the Poinçon de Genève. The bridges and main plate are made of German silver, and the Tourbillon bridge is in mirror polished stainless steel. It is housed in a relatively compact 43mm wide gold case, adopting the codes of the new L.U.C aesthetics that were introduced in the beginning of 2025, with a curved bezel, welded lugs, a fluted crown and strap interchangeability system. Of course, the movement is not just an aesthetic treat, but it's a technical tour de force. The strikework mechanism is visible dial-side, with the polished steel hammers at 10 o'clock and its governor at 8 o'clock. The Grand Sonnerie, the Petite Sonnerie and the silence mode can be selected via a sliding selector switch located next to the crown. The minute repeater mechanism is activated via a pusher, coaxial to the crown. So just like for the full strike, the watch relies on two barrels, one for the time indication with a 70-hour power reserve and one for the strikework mechanism with up to 12 hours of power reserve in the Grand Sonnerie mode. Each is wound in a different direction using the crown. The patented sapphire gongs are machined from one single monobloc unit with the watch's crystal. This unique gong construction gives the L.U.C chiming watches their acoustic character. The gongs vibrate in concert with the dial crystal, channeling the sound directly towards the exterior of the watch and avoiding energy dissipation through the movement or case. The sapphire crystal gongs also have a square cross-section that create a rich and layered sound. The resulting chime is simply remarkable. The loudness, the timbre, the harmony, the pace are truly outstanding. There's literally no background noise, thanks to the governor with its twin springs to regulate the chime speed. There are also no ghost strikes with this elegant solution. The minutes will chime right away after the last quarter, while many chiming watches leave a silent time after that last quarter. The watch is also fitted with a series of security mechanisms to avoid any damages when manipulating it. The caliber L.U.C 08.03L is regulated by a 1-minute tourbillon. The balance features a hairspring with a Phillips terminal curve, and it operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour, and there's a stop-second mechanism to allow for precise time setting. This is a rare but meaningful function for a tourbillon, a mechanism built to enhance the precision. The precision of the watch is certified by COSC. During the development phase, the Chopard quality control conducted 62,400 activations of the sonnerie, half of each sonnerie mode, in an accelerated process to simulate 5 years of wear in just 3 months. The Chopard L.U.C Grand Strike comes on a hand-sewn alligator strap with an alligator lining fitted with a gold folding buckle. An interchangeable strap mechanism allows you to change the look of your watch in seconds. The watch is not a limited edition, but production capacity is estimated to roughly 2 watches per year. The Chopard L.U.C Grand Strike is a remarkable watch. Hats off to all those who contributed to its creation, and kudos to Carl Friedrich Schöffele for the exceptional refined watches created in his workshop, presenting in just a few weeks 2 masterpieces such as the Ferdinand Berthoud Naissance d'une Montre 3 and the L.U.C Grand Strike is nothing short of extraordinary. I hope you liked this video. See you for the next one.